Living things move. In this module, you will learn that living things move on their own, whereas non-living things do not. Alicia and Diamond are going to a park for the walk. Look at the two of them. They are walking with the help of their legs. All living things like Alicia and Diamond can move on their own. Let us look at some more examples. A fish swims in water. A bird flies in the sky. A horse runs so fast. They all move on their own. They are all living things. Now, what do you think about plants? Do they also move? Plants also move. For example, a sunflower plant turns its face towards the sun. So, plants are also living things. Alicia and Diamond are walking. Look, they have just walked past a dustbin and then a signboard. These things have not moved along with Alicia and Diamond. This is because they are non-living things. Non-living things do not move on their own. A wall, a book, or a table cannot move on its own. They are all non-living things. A car has just sped past Diamond and Alicia. It is moving very fast. Is this car a living or a non-living thing? Let us look at the car again. See, the car has a driver to drive it. It means the car is not moving on its own. So, it is a non-living thing. Non-living things like a top or a football move with our help. They do not move on their own. Let's recap. Living things move on their own. Non-living things do not move on their own.